What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where, yes, production has slowed down quite a bit in Cassino because of the chip crisis stopping production for Alfa Romeo. Now, about a week after resuming the production activities after the summer break, the Cassino plant production site of the Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio stops again. The Lazio plant, in fact, registers a new use of social safety nets with an interruption of production activities, which again this week will not respect the calendar estimated in the past. Now, Stellantis has announced that the production in Cassino as regards of this week will be stopped in the days of August 30th through Friday, September 3rd. Consequently, for this week, production will continue exclusively for 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, confirming a now standard rhythm that includes at least 2 days a week of stop of production of Alfa Romeos. Now, it should be noted that this time, at the basis of the production stop, there could also be different reasons to the simple drop in orders for Alfa Romeo models, and in the recent months, in fact, production at the Lazio plant was interrupted again due to low demand for the two Alfa Romeos produced on the site. Now, the production cut will also be partially linked to problems with the procurement of electronic components. The chip crisis that hit several Stellantis factories in Europe in the recent weeks is starting to slow down production of the factories like Cassino, where production in recent months has already been reduced for commercial reasons like low market demands. The crisis of the electronic components also risks unleashing a ripple effect on all components, and the arrival of autumn makes a very important moment for the Cassino plant. In fact, starting in October, the new Maserati Grecale will join the Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Giulia on the production lines, where the starting point of the new Maserati model will be the Giorgio platform. Now, the Grecale should be officially unveiled in November, and the start of the production of the Maserati Grecale will not allow the production capacities of the Cassino plant to be filled. The new model, however, will represent an important resource to make a clean cut in the use of social safety nets, which has now become a constant for the Lazio plant. Now, in this way, production is expected to grow significantly. However, the unknown factor of the chip crisis remains. At the moment, all models of the four-wheel sector, and in particular, new arrivals, are at risk of shortage of semiconductor supplies. Now, the chip crisis, therefore, could slow down, at least initially, the production of the Maserati Grecale. Now, as I recall, according to Stellantis estimates, the problems with the supply of semiconductors will continue for the next few weeks and months. Even in 2022, there could be problems of this kind. More details on the matter will certainly arrive in the coming months. But as for the near future of Cassino, in addition to the Giulia and Stelvio and the new Maserati Grecale, no further models in production are planned for the moment. So to reach full employment on the site, assuming the maintenance of the current employment levels, it will be necessary to wait for the new Stellantis industrial plan and the arrival of the new models. So with that said, will we have a delay on 2022 Alfa Romeos? Will we have a delay on the new Maserati Grecale? Only time will tell, only the market will tell. We'll just have to see, and Alfa Romeo and Maserati will have to do what they can best for their employees, for their factory, and for their customers. But with that said, are you bummed about the semiconductor shortage and everything it's doing to slow down the production of the Alfa Romeo Stelvio and Giulia? Let me know down in the comments below. And are you worried about the Grecale SUV coming out on time? Also, drop your comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the Alfa Romeo Cassino plant being slowed down and shut down because of the chip crisis. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch. You want t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. So everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.